Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm challenging myself to transfer my coins to my Binance account in record time. Let's see if I can pull it off without any hiccups. The importance of moving your coins to Binance quickly cannot be overstated. Whether you're looking to take advantage of a hot new coin listing or capitalize on a sudden market shift, having your assets readily available on the platform can be a game changer. One of the biggest frustrations when it comes to transferring cryptocurrencies is dealing with slow transaction times. You're stuck watching your funds sit in limbo, wondering when they'll finally arrive in your Binance account. And to make matters worse, you're often hit with high fees that eat into your profits. I've lost count of how many messages I've received from viewers struggling with slow transfers. It's infuriating, right? These delays can have serious consequences. If you're trying to get in on a hot new listing, every minute counts. And if your coins are stuck, you might miss out on a major opportunity. Let's jump into the step-by-step guide on how to transfer your coins to Binance quickly and efficiently. First, make sure you have your Binance account set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, create an account and get familiar with the platform. Next, navigate to the deposit section and select the coin you want to transfer. You'll get a unique deposit address to send your coins from your wallet. Double-check that address. One small mistake can cause major headaches. Now, initiate the transfer from your wallet. Ensure you're sending the correct coin and that you've entered the correct deposit address. Once confirmed, it's just a matter of waiting for the coins to arrive in your Binance account. Most people go wrong by not optimizing their transfer for speed. Use a reputable wallet that handles fast transactions and consider using a third-party accelerator. Let's take a real-time example. I've just initiated the transfer from my wallet and I'm tracking the progress. This is where the suspense begins. Will it arrive quickly or will there be a delay? Take a deep breath. The waiting game is the hardest part. But with the right strategy and patience, your coins will arrive safely in no time. And there we have it. The transfer is successful, and my coins are now in my Binance account. That was a close call, but with careful planning, we avoided any major hiccups. To recap, the key to quick transfers is careful planning, using the right tools, and optimizing for speed. Follow these steps to avoid headaches and frustrations. If you're new to crypto trading or need a refresher, check out my other videos. Drop your experiences or questions in the comments. I love hearing from you and helping out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.